and welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're going to be showing you 2 different Valentine's Day decor items. And then this will be kind of a little bit of a mini series that we're going to do, a 2-part video series of 2 different DIYs in each video. And so we're first going to start out, and almost all of this stuff is from the Dollar Tree. So the first thing we are going to use is this love sign. And we're actually going to stick some of these hearts kind of throughout the whole thing. And then we're going to paint it a gray color and then pull off the hearts, and you're gonna kind of create like a cool little design using this love sign. And then the next one we are going to do is using this wooden sign from the Dollar Tree, as well as this plastic craft bottle. And we're going to use that to attach to the sign. We have a couple different ribbon options, some rope or some ribbon. And then you will also need the LED lights and some flowers from the Dollar Tree. And then be sure you guys are subscribed so you don't miss out on part 2 of this video. And let's go ahead and jump in. All right guys, so step 1, we're just gonna get out the hearts here. And you could use any kind of sticker you have for any kind of shape you're looking for. We're probably gonna go with the 2 different sizes here and kind of mix up the sizes of the hearts and just kind of scatter them wherever we feel like is a good fit. So then we're gonna go ahead and use gray paint. This one's in granite gray, and this one's from Walmart. And then another idea we had too is, if you don't like this heart idea, you could use masking tape and make stripes, or you could do polka dots or any shape that you want. All right guys, so we have the first coat on there, and I think that's all we'll need. It covered really easily. So we're not gonna peel anything back yet. We're just gonna move it to the side and let it dry, and we'll come back in just a little bit. We're just gonna go ahead and take off all of the stickers. And then I just made a tiny little bow, like tying a shoelace. And I'm gonna go ahead and attach that to the top of the L, just to add a little something extra. All right, so there's the finished product. And you could make it way more, with way more hearts. You could do different designs. You could make this as bold or as simple as you would like. So this is kind of what we came up with, and we love it. All right, then since we are painting this white, we're gonna have to remove this, and unfortunately you can't really get these knots out. And so we're just gonna go ahead and cut it and use some different rope. And then we're just gonna go ahead and paint this white. And we are using the Apple Barrel white paint. Alright, so we got 1 coat of paint on there, and this one's definitely going to need a second coat, so we'll let this one dry and we'll come back and add the second layer. And while that dries, I'm going to go ahead and take out the plastic jar. And then we're going to go ahead and tie some rope around it. And this rope here is a lace rope from Dollar Tree. So we just think it adds that kind of romantic look to the jar. And then our ribbon won't stay straight, so we're just gonna add some hot glue to kind of straighten it out a bit. So now to add a little more interest, we're gonna go ahead and try and do some shiplap lines with the paint, and we're gonna mix a little gray with a teeny tiny bit of white. And then next we're just gonna go ahead and tie the string back onto the top. And this string is from Dollar Tree. All right, so now it has a new little holder here. And then the next step is to go ahead and put the bottle on. You guys, we're just going to actually attach a little bit of a ribbon so we have something to attach the jar to. And so we're gonna glue that down first and then put the jar right on top. Yeah, because without that, it doesn't stick very well to the paint and to the jar. So hopefully this will help adhere things a little bit better. And then we're just gonna go ahead and stick in the flowers and arrange them how we like. Alright guys, so here is the finished product for our first 2 DIYs. And this one here we set on the table, but you could definitely hang it by the string. And then up above is the second DIY we did, and we love them both, and we hope you guys can use these in your home. But be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss part 2 of our video coming soon, and we'll catch you in the next video. Bye! Alright guys, and here are 2 more videos off to the right for you to go ahead and watch to check out our channel further. And then also, here's the icon of our faces, and if you click that, you will be subscribed to our channel.